Greetings, people of the interwebs. You join me on a Thursday. I am sat out in Henrietta, who got new shoes yesterday, so she's got new tyres, and they're round and black and rubbery, which is three of the best things in life, really. Round, black and rubbery. Yeah, so I thought I'd come out, because I've got a day off work today. I thought I'd come out and have a bit of a drive around, and well, it's peeing it down and it's windy. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just outside, or just sat on top of, really, at Langsett Reservoir at the moment. So what I think I'll do is I'll head down towards Derwent, down that way. It's a bit moody. I've got my bag with me. Hang on, I need to check whether I brought a brolly.
Today's video is sponsored by Toast Rack, for when you don't want sweaty toast.
My very uncolourful bag, which is very in character for myself, isn't it? I do indeed have my magic brolly and a Lena and the Lions hat. Which everybody should go and listen to Lena and the Lions. You can find them on YouTube. They're a band from Sheffield, and they're like 80s electro rock sort of style. They're really good. And Lena is super nice. And they do amazing merch as well. Like I've had, they did a VHS bundle pack. They did a cassette pack. And then the latest one I got had got like I've got these like cool t-shirts and stuff. But it had got like a holographic cone that you stick on your phone, and when you watch certain videos on YouTube, it looks like it's a hologram inside. And it came with like a fake advert from the 80s advertising this holographic Walkman and stuff. That was quite cool. So you should definitely check them out. So that's Lena and the Lions. I'll try and pop a link down below. But who'd have known? Henny has her own little phone holder for me. I mean, I'm not sure how stable it is. It's quite stable. So that's good. So yeah, new tyres on Henny. Didn't manage to get her oil change because Kevin didn't have time to do it, so she's going back for that in a couple of weeks. Or I might just get fed up of waiting and do it myself, to be honest. So then it's done. I need to, if anybody knows actually, I need to know how to reset the oil service light, because it's telling me there's 700 miles left before the next oil service, and when I do it I need to know how to reset it, so I assume it's dead easy. But yeah, apart from that, air conditioning's working fine because it's demisting everything good. I still need to flush heat matrix out and try that, but yeah, everything's good. So yeah, I'll leave it there. Julie stood outside in the rain photographing water for some reason. I don't know. Right, catch you in a bit. Goodbye. got a sausage back. It's not painful. So, welcome to the reverse side of Henrietta's steering wheel. How exciting, look at that little behind the scenes footage for you there. We're still at Derwent. Oh, did I even tell you we're at Derwent? We're at Derwent. And it's rainy still, so we've got some sandwich and a cup of tea, haven't we? But I have now realised the distinct lack of cup holders. So there's one, but obviously that don't work because there's a bit broke off it, which I think I showed you before. And then in the glove box, amongst all the crumbs that Julie's spreading around the car, I think there's supposed to be cup holders. I wonder whether there should be something on top of them. There's just like round discs. I wonder if there should be like a thing. I don't know. Well, we've got cups on there. So, cup holder update. I think there's two. Oh, there's these ones as well. I don't trust them cups to have stayed in there though. Would you? And there's none under here. Exciting cup holder update. Yeah, so we're going to go for a walk, and then I'll put like various pictures of Henny, like pew 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 pew. Maybe not with that sound effect though. And then yeah, Henny's first trip out after getting her new tyres. All good so far. Keep watching for an exciting troll update that proves once and for all the existence of trolls in and around the area that we are currently in. Julie came up with a good name for the troll update videos, didn't you, Julie?
Did I?
Yes, you did. Can you remember what it was?
No.
It was, Troll, it's not bollocks! That was it. She swears all the time, Julie. She's a right dickhead.
I never fucking do.
See?